Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placement. So, this is your love reading, okay, ngayong mid-month ng August. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Yeah. And don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Yan. Okay? And pagdating sa ating private or personal reading, kung meron pong mga tanong, message lang po sa atin pong FB page. Okay, for more info. Okay, so let's start. Sagittarius placements. Okay. Sag, the person on your mind, anong meron sa kanya? Okay, Sagittarius. The Three of Swords in reverse. And the Eight of Cups in reverse. Oh, so some of them pwedeng bumabalik, no? May bumabalik, nakikipag-ayos, or pwedeng kayo gusto nyo pa rin bumalik sa kanya, makipag-ayos. Okay? Yeah. Meron pa rin hindi makahanap ng iba or talagang walang mahanap na iba. Kaya bumabalik. Okay? So, yung iba naman pwedeng wala pa rin talagang mai-compare. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano bang meron sa situation. Okay. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, ngayon, parang walang nag-o-offer. Okay? Ng new beginning. Okay? Walang nag-o-offer. So, I guess this person is gusto lang niya. Pwedeng plano lang niya. Okay? Na bumalik. Okay? So, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba naman, pwedeng bumalik pero hindi mo makitaan, no? Ano ba yung talagang dahilan ng pagbalik niya? Hindi siya nagiging transparent. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles in reverse and yeah, walang nag-step up. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, Sagittarius. Ang nakikita ko sa situation is kaya babalik, ayaw maging miss opportunity yung sitwasyon or yung connection nyo. Okay? Ayaw yung mawawala ng saysay. So, nandyan yung communication. Yeah. Hindi na nakakabigla kung iba rito magkausap na. Okay? Pwede ngayon. May mag-message sa'yo. Mamaya. Bukas. Okay? At makikipagbalikan or makikipag-ayos. Yeah. Ano bang kanyang emosyon? Tingnan natin. Anong emosyon niya sa'yo, Sagittarius? Anong emosyon niya sa'yo? Oops, may nag-flip. The Three of Wands. So, some of them, they're still expecting. Okay, may expectations dito. The Three of Wands, this is manifesting rin. Okay, waiting. Yeah. What's with the Three of Wands? Yeah, manifesting. The Magician. They want communication. They want a connection again with you. Yeah. The Knight of Cups. An offer is coming from them. Hindi kayo. Okay? Hindi kayo ang gagawa. Okay? So, ano ang emosyon mo sa kanya, Sag? Ano naman ang emosyon mo sa kanya, Sagittarius? The King of Pentacles. Being practical. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Ang iba sa inyo kasi ang isip nyo, ang mentality nyo pagdating sa taong ito is someone na talagang may pagka-player. Okay? So, yung utak ninyo parang nakafix na sa ano lang to, baka guguyuin na naman ako ngayon. Guguyuin na naman. Like that. So, yung iba sa inyo, nagiging practical. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo is like, sabihin natin, itinatago yung totoong emosyon. Okay? Kasi takot. Yeah, takot na pwedeng masaktan ulit. Takot na pwedeng maloko ulit. Okay. Next action. Okay. Anong next action niya? Oh, a message. See? The page of Pentacles. This is a communication. Okay? Pwedeng kakausapin ka niya. An offer of love, the Ace of Cups. Oh. Yeah. Still they want you. Still they have feelings. Okay? Para sa'yo. What's with the Page of Pentacles? Yeah. Nakikita ko rito is pagme-message sa'yo, yung pagme-message niya is like paawa effect. Like that. Okay? Paawa effect. There is regrets. Okay? Regrets. So, asahan nyo, iba sa inyo, talagang hindi malayong mag-message to. Okay? Hindi malayo. Pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng a lot of earth sign and fire sign. Konting water. Okay? And air. Lahat naman, halos. Okay. So, ano ang outcome, if ever, changes the Wheel of Fortune? Okay. Yeah. The Lovers. A reconnection. A reconnection. I don't know kung kukunin nyo tong ganitong outcome. Kasi iba sa inyo, mas gugustuhin na hindi. Diba? Someone is talking. Pero, laging advice natin is heal first. Okay? Yeah. The Seven of Pentacles. Investing. Okay? Fast communication is coming. Yeah. May pag-uusap na mangyayari. Okay? Between you and a past person. Sag. Wala tayong magagawa. Ito ang nakita ko. No? Oo. And, ang sinasabi rin dito is, ang ina-advise rin is, wag masyadong magiging attached. If ever. Be practical. Like the King of Pentacles. Okay? Kung ikaw busy sa mga ginagawa mo na ngayon, nagkaroon ng separation, syempre, naging busy ka, gawin mo pa rin yon. Huwag mong ipa-priority itong taong to. Okay? Siya na lang yung sumingit ngayon. Siya na lang yung sisingit ngayon. So, huwag mong gagawing priority. Okay? Yeah. Kung may ginagawa ka na, nung dumating to, nung bumalik siya, yun pa rin ang gawin mo. Okay? Kung anong naging routine mo nung nawala siya, yun pa rin ang gawin mo. Kung may spare time ka, then kausapin mo siya. Ikaw ang mag-umpisang tapusin ang conversation. Like that. Pakita mong you're busy. Okay? Yeah, this is changes kasi. Bumalik ka, nawala ka sa akin, na may na ganito ang sitwasyon ko, bumalik ka na iba, then abulin mo kung anong meron sa akin ngayon. Like that. Okay, so yun nakita kong advice. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. O, diba? Ang bilis lang. Okay. all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Okay. Aries. Oh. Healing. Pero hindi sila totally like solid na gustong mag-heal. Taurus. Oh, biniblame ka niya. Biniblame ka niya. Gemini. Nandyan pa rin yung feelings niya for you. Gusto kanyang makausap, gusto nitong gumawa ng kahit anong action. Parang nandyan yung parang atat na. Yan, okay? Cancer. May takot. May takot sa'yo. Totally, parang hindi siya like sigurado na kaya kanyang i-let go totally. May takot. Okay? Leo. Cycle. Parang pinagbago doon sa Leo na to. Virgo. Okay. So, slow burner. Okay. Pwedeng itong si Virgo na to, hindi kanya kayang like i-direct na message. Parang sobrang slow hanggang sa walang actions na at all. Okay? Like that. Libra. Okay. So, may action na manggagaling from this Libra. Okay? May effort ako nakikita from them. Yeah. Next. Scorpio. Ending. No. Yeah, ending. Wala nang pagbabalikan. Yes. Kung magkarelasyon kayo nito, there's backstabbing. And unstable. Sagittarius. They still feel the connection. Okay? Kahit na merong separation. The Four of Cups, feeling nila you're the one that got away nila. Okay? Yeah. Ramdam na ramdam pa rin nila yung connection with you. Okay? Capricorn. Can't move on. They still want to reconcile. Okay? Aquarius, they want to talk. Gusto nila mag-sorry. Some of them gusto nila ng closure. Pisces. Si Pisces nagpapahabol. Okay? Yeah, nagpapahabol dahil alam niya na ikaw meron pa ring love for them. Okay? They're trying to manipulate you. Okay? So, there. Yun po ang ating reading for Sagittarius placement. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye!